Hey, what's up? Good morning, everybody. Morning in Bangkok. What do? Coffee and breakfast first. This place is an artist and bakery. It's got all fancy kinds of breads and stuff. Looks pretty good. What now? What to do? Ladies everywhere you look. So it's up in front of us. So, first off, let's crack a nice singer with the only utensil I have to crack right now. I think I gotta get a bottle opener. I have a hard problem finding bottle openers in each of these condos I get. But anyways, today, I went to go to Paknam, Phasi, Charoen. I can't fucking say it right. It's Thai. I'm not really good at Thai. I've been trying to practice. I'm terrible at it. I'm an American. Back to what I was saying. But yeah, I went to try to go to Paknam, Phasi, Charoen. It's the big Buddha, the big golden Buddha today. I drove around and I realized I have shorts on and I really didn't want to buy elephant pants or rent pants or anything to go in. So I just said, fuck it, we'll ride around and then we'll go do other things. But what I did do is I went to Soy 33/1. Stepped up on a rooftop bar for a bit, had a few drinks, went downstairs and got some pretty good drone footage that I will show you here. I hope you'll enjoy it. All right, everybody. So if you enjoy these videos, please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff. I'm almost at 1,000. It would be great to get there. I will produce more content. I'm trying right now. It's a little tough trying to brainstorm on stuff, but I'm just gonna try to, like, hey, if it's going to get coffee or beer or something at the store, I'm just gonna do it and document it. And hopefully you guys will enjoy it. Tonight I went and got some fried chicken, 120 baht, 4 pieces of fried chicken, 2 wings and 2 legs. 2 singers, 120 baht. So what's that? 240 baht for dinner tonight. Some of the best fried chicken you'll ever have in the world too. Almost as good as Malaysia. Solid tie with Malaysia, I would say. All right, that's this for now. I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe. This is the new condo. I'm not going to tell you where it is yet. We're going to wait till we change condos because I don't want people knowing where I'm living in Bangkok right now, if you know what I'm saying. Peace.